If we put a giant mirror in space to reflect the sun's rays and heat up the Earth, it would have a number of potential consequences. The Earth's temperature would rise. This is because the mirror would reflect sunlight back towards the Earth, increasing the amount of solar radiation that the Earth absorbs. Plant and animal life would be affected. Some plants and animals would be able to adapt to the warmer climate, while others would not. This could lead to extinctions and other changes in the natural world. Humans would be affected. The warmer climate would make it more difficult for humans to live in some parts of the world. There would also be an increased risk of heat waves, droughts, and other extreme weather events. The exact consequences of putting a giant mirror in space would depend on a number of factors such as the size and reflectivity of the mirror, the location of the mirror. However, it is clear that such a project would have a significant impact on the Earth and its inhabitants. It is important to note that there are a number of ethical and practical considerations that would need to be addressed before such a project could be undertaken. For example, it would be necessary to ensure that the mirror did not cause any unintended consequences, such as disrupting the Earth's orbit or causing an increase in solar radiation exposure. Additionally, the project would be very expensive and technically challenging to implement. Overall, the idea of putting a giant mirror in space to heat up the Earth is a fascinating one, but it is important to consider the potential consequences before undertaking such a project.